Tesla, buy or hold or sell. Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So my last video, I say Tesla have some risk. And now look at what is this right now. Okay, the first thing, for the blue line is still uptrend. What is this blue line for? This one to tell you right away what is the trend. Okay, so we are still in the upward trend. For the one who follow my channel or the regular investor for Tesla, you should buy, if you follow my channel, you should buy around here and here, okay? With some of my indicator, for example, YM chip entry to tell you institution come in here, institution come in here. So we buy here. And this one also, institution come in this few candle. When they close above it, we buy here or you buy here. Okay, so the key point is right now what is going on. Last video I told you we have the OBOS, the overbought oversold. We have some risk here. And the last yellow candle is the risk. We would say the highest point is the resistance. And so far, we are not yet above it. We are not yet above it. And I also mentioned you the risk last video. And also mentioned these two candles is acting a bit funny. Why? Because they drop below the YM chip fast. YM cup fast, sorry. YM club fast. So if you look at the money, YM big buy, they flash a green candle. It means big volume is actually buying, although they're dropping here. The second candle here, you see they have a very, very thin red candle. It means the net selling, okay? But it's a small one. It's a small one, okay? It's a small one. The problem is the last trading day on Friday here, they have one whole candle drop below the red, okay? So, and also we have YM big buy drop below zero. So what does it mean? For short-term investor, I repeat, for short-term investor, you need to sell. Because if you follow my indicator, right? You buy here, you sell here. Last, I think 2 videos ago, I mentioned the target can go higher if they go above this, right? And they have one candle just go above it, but they come back down. So only one candle like this. And I told you, once you buy, okay, let's say, let me hide this color first. They go above the red, okay? You can buy. When they drop below the red, you sell. Why? You have to follow this strategy. If you don't follow, if you buy for short term and you use long-term strategy to sell, it doesn't make sense because your cut loss price is quite far away, okay? So you need to follow the strategy. So if you sell right here, right now, you lost 7%. Okay, instead of more. For the blue line, you buy in point is here and here. Okay, so and also here. So basically, you are still making profit. You're still making profit. You can still hold it. You can still hold it. Okay, or you can be still also. It's up to you. So right now for the short-term investor, thank you for the comment, by the way. I have read every single comment of you guys. So for the short-term investor, if you follow with the red line, you sell. And also the OBOS, you also have a signal to sell, okay? For the blue line, you can start to reduce the holding basically today. Reduce, I'm not saying sold out everything, just reduce. When to sold out everything is when they drop below the blue or when the blue change the direction, okay? Is it clear? So now look at the institution holding. You can see basically the last trading day reduced and today also reducing. Okay, so far it's below zero for Y and big buy. So is it look good for funding? Not really. It's getting a little bit weak, but is it really that bad? At least our blue line is still going upward. Okay, so you need to look at what price you are buying in. Okay, if you follow my channel, you buy here, you buy here, and you buy here, you should not be worried. If you buy recently, let's say with this candle, because they go above the red, then you sell because you need to stop loss, okay? And I told you when we bought, because they have a risk reward level. So the risk is 1, the reward is more than 3. That's why we buy. But remember, it's always there's a risk, right? So that's why we sell. So we sold it for 7% loss, but it's fine. Okay, because every time like when they go above, we sell. When they drop below, we sell, right? When they go above, we buy, sorry. When they go above, we buy, and then when they drop below, we sell. That's it. We want something simple, okay? So this is the update for Tesla, and you can see what is going on with this level, why they drop. Because they have one, two, actually they have quite a strong resistance here. Look, around this level, right? Like one top, two top, three candle, four candle, five candle, six candle, seven candle, eight candle, nine candle resistance. So we need to go above it. We need to take some time. How to go above this resistance? Do you know that? How? Yes, money. We need money. So the money minimum need to go above the purple line, and they better to go above zero again. Okay? Otherwise, you cannot go above this resistance. Okay? So thank you for watching. If you want to have this indicator, you can click the link in the description. I see you in the next video. See you. Bye.